This is Marianne with a 7-day DTube challenge, which might be turning into way more days. And today I'm on my computer and the sun is hitting me, so I look very, very white and maybe weird, but whatever. That's just what it is. With time, we're going to figure this thing out, right? I'm going to read to you a pelican story, which is after the prompt. She glanced around her as the pelicans talked to each other in the car and wondered if maybe she should call her grandmother and ask her advice. So that's the prompt we were using. And I will have to look down because that's just the way it goes. I can't read and look up like some people do. And sometimes reading is weird for me, so we see how my accent is coming out on this one. But here it goes. That's my story. It was written in 5 minutes, not very much edited. It's a free write. She glanced around her as the pelicans talked to each other in the car and wondered if maybe she should call her grandmother and ask her advice. She would know. She always knows the answers to difficult questions. Like, why are there pelicans in the car? She is not even living anywhere close to the beach. As a matter of fact, this is a mountain they are on. I need to fess up to you all. She is me. I am sitting in this fucking car and the pelicans are talking about me. I am turning to them and I'm pissed. What are you doing in my car? Who invited you anyways? I didn't. Maybe I did. Can't remember now. Talking pelicans have been my favorite for a long time. But usually they say nice things about me. Like, look what a strong swimmer she is. Stuff like that. But I should have known. The one time I was swimming in the ocean and ran head first into the only other swimmer in the ocean, they said some pretty shitty things about me. Like, she must be blind as a bat or stupid. They actually were using other words, but I'm too embarrassed to. I have to swim in the same part as me. It is not easy to see anything when the waves are bopping up and down. He could have worn a red cap at least, or yellow. But blue? Ocean blue? How am I supposed to see him? I did mention that I'm actually blind as a bat, kind of, and I'm swimming in this part of the ocean because I can see tall buildings all along the shoreline, right? It is like a bay, land and cliffs and trees and houses on 3 sides. Only one way to the open ocean, and I'm not ready to swim that way yet. That I will do when the pain becomes too much. Swim and swim until I can't move my arms anymore. But that is for later. The pelicans are calling me a dumb blonde. How do they know that? I've dyed my hair black for years. Hair, eyebrows and all. Blondes live a dangerous life in these parts. Too many predators. That is what my grandma told me the last time I called her. Maybe I should try it again. But those calls do cost a lot these days. It was so much easier when she was still alive and there was such a thing as a telephone. But that was a long, long time ago. Is this why I came to the mountain? To call her?